Hi, I'm Dustin Fisher, and today we're going to be working on a reading strategy called Iggy the Inferring Iguana. We're going to infer as you read, make predictions, and reflect while you read. Do any of you guys have a jetpack? How awesome would it be to have your own jetpack? I know I would love it. Well, today I'm going to start reading to you a book called If You Had a Jetpack. It is written by Liesl Detlefsen and illustrated by Lindsay Hunter. What do you predict will happen first in this story? Well, I'm predicting that he finds some supplies to build a jetpack. I wonder why he's making a jetpack. Well, guess we'll have to read it to find out. Sorry, my ears are a little floppy today. If you had a jetpack, or found yourself bored with nothing to do, you could build your own jetpack. Putting it together might be tricky, but since you're clever, you'd figure it out eventually. Do you think you can build a jetpack? Well, if you have nothing to do, maybe you could build your own jetpack, since a lot of us currently are locked up and can't get out because of this quarantine. It may take some time, but I'm sure you'll come up with something. What do you think you need to build a jetpack? Maybe you could use some imagination. That is awesome. You could use a box and some decorations. You could almost use anything for a jetpack. Here is my jetpack. How cool is that? While learning how to fly, your little brother would see you and get jealous, so you'd have to build him a jetpack too. And then teach him how to use it. Patiently. How many of you have your own siblings that you'd have to teach how to fly if you had your own jetpack? I know I do. I'd have to teach my sisters how to fly. How do you think your parents feel about flying around inside the house? Whew, boy oh boy. It looks like they made a mess. How many of you, if you had a jetpack, would have to teach a sibling? What do you predict will happen next? My guess is they are going to have to clean up that mess because they made a pretty big mess bouncing around the house like that. I know, I would be in trouble. Once you both got the hang of it, you'd want to show your jetpacks to all your friends at school. You could demonstrate how it works during show and share time. Well, it looks like I was wrong on my prediction they didn't have to clean up right away. Or maybe we just didn't see it. I don't know. Cruise through the cafeteria line at lunch and play turbo tag at recess. Cautiously. They played tag at recess with a jetpack? How cool is that? What do you think who would be the fastest person playing tag? Do you think it would be the two people on the jetpacks? Or maybe somebody else? I feel like the people on the jetpacks would be the fastest ones. Would that be fair to use a jetpack to play tag if everyone else doesn't have a jetpack? Yeah, I don't think so either. After soaring around school all day, you might get called down to the office. Uh-oh. Why do you think they got called down to the office? Maybe it's because they were flying around the school, playing tag at recess? That might not be safe. Shall we continue to find out why? Oof! The principal would explain that his car has a flat tire. Oh no, that's not good. and ask you for a ride home politely. What would you do if you had a jetpack? Would you take it to school and do a show and tell? Tell a family member or a friend. What would you do? Then ask them what they would do if they had their own jetpack. What do you think happens next in the book? Well, we will have to find out next time. This is If You Had a Jetpack by Lizel Detlefson and illustrated by Lindsay Hunting. We will have to continue this later. For now, this is Dustin blasting off. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Bye-bye.